All right, boys and girls, here we are with day 15 of our January daily math. Number 1, looks like, and 2, we have a couple different parts to this one. So we're going to start with the number 405, and we're going to add 380. So I'm going to write 380 underneath it just so I can kind of get that feel of what it looks like. And we're going to go 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so we have 785. Now we're going to subtract 189. So I'm just going to write it over here. 785 minus 189. Okay, there's more on the floor. We're going to have to borrow from next door. So 15 minus 9 is 6. 7 minus 8. Oh, more on the floor. We have to borrow again. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So now we're at 596. And then we're going to add 50. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 5 equals 14. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. 646. Okay, meanwhile, Lily is buying flip-flops in Florida. They cost $5. She has 10 quarters, 6 dimes, and 6 nickels. How much money does she have? Does she have enough money to buy the flip-flops, yes or no? So, how much money? There we go. Okay, so let's get our count going over here. The cost is $5, and she has 10 quarters. So if she has 4 quarters, that's $1. And if she has 8 quarters, it's $2. So she has 10 quarters, which is $2.50. She also has 6 dimes, which is 60 cents. So 5 dimes would make it $3. Plus the other dime makes it $3.10. 6 nickels, each nickel is worth 5, so 6 times 5 is 30, or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 cents. So we have 310 plus 30 equals $3.40. So that's how much money she has, $3.40. Does she have enough to buy the flip-flops? Not if they're $5. No, she does not have enough. Okay, number 4. Serena used mini marshmallows to measure the width of her math journal. It measured 8 marshmallows. How many marshmallows would 4 journals measure? So if one journal is 8, okay, then 4 groups of 8, instead of one group of 8, we have 4 books or 4 groups of marshmallows with 8 marshmallows in each group. 4 times 8 equals, that says how many marshmallows? And that equals 32 marshmallows. Okay. Number 5, our favorite snow activity. Making snowmen, sledding, throwing snowballs. Not at school, right? No throwing snowballs at school. Building snow forts, making snow angels, eating the snow. I wouldn't advise that either. Which is more popular? A, making snowmen and snow angels, or B, sledding and eating the snow? So, first let's figure out how many making snowmen and snow angels. So making snowmen is 22, and snow angels is 12. So 22 plus 12 is 34. Sledding and eating the snow. Sledding is 24. Eating the snow is 7. 24 plus 7 equals 31. So which is more popular? A, making snowmen and snow angels. All right, boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow for day 16 of your daily math.